Sharon, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Thank you so very much for your recent online interest in one of our Honda Accords. Not sure the exact package you're after, Sharon. I have one of my sport packages here. Have a few other options pulled right up here in the front of the dealership. We're Alabama's leading volume dealer. Have the best inventory hands down across the board in the state for you to choose from. And that new Honda Accord received North American Car of the Year last year when it was redesigned. It comes decked out with new technology standard across all the trim packages. We have a Honda Sensing suite of driver assist features that will be standard. You're also going to have, of course, multi-angle backup cameras, Bluetooth, power, everything. But on top of that, LED lights on all of them, available heated and ventilated seats. I mean, tons of new equipment. I can't wait to show it to you in person. Sharon, give me a call. We're glad to get you any information to help you make a well-qualified decision. You can reach me at 205-504-2358. And I think you just promised me making it to Tameron Honda. You're going to love the way you treat it.